Okay, we'll probably be getting over to that area. It's just where that bloody ferry is at the moment. I hope he's just going to cut more or less across the front of us. If you were to cast in and then towards the shore and then flick it back, and something's biting, and mine are ready. It's always the way in the ferry lanes is where the best spots are. I can see that, yeah. Nope, still getting hit. All right, that's good. Okay, we're in the right spot then. Bingo, straight up, floaty.
Don't let him up because they flip off. Can you do that?
Well, can you bring it into the net?
Yeah.
There.
Pull him out of the water.
We'll measure it up.
That was first cast.
Excellent, there we go. That's what we want.
Centimetre ring coming in.
It's fairly feral. This is 30-pound line. Now, where is it? Yeah, it's fairly feral. Hang on, I can't. Trevally. Decent sized trevally.
Let's bring him up this way.
Ow, that's nice.
Beautiful.
He's on the chicken. I'll keep that one.
Wow, on chicken, yeah? Shit.
Right.
Big ones, of course, always bite on the small white lines.
Yep.
Snap off all over the place.
We're getting under 2 meters now, aren't we?
0.7.
Alright, that's alright. We're coming into a higher, to a sandbar area. Okay, now we've got a bit of a hole. We've just gone under a bit of a hole, so those lines will be hitting that soon.
Like that?
Or yes, that's entirely possible, like that. We did alright last week.
There was a crap load of fish last week.
Yeah. Silver drum, apparently good eating, apparently related to the blackfish. Because I said in the video, I bet you someone says, oh, why do you keep all the small fish, son? Why do you keep all the small fish? I said, wait, oh, they're silver drum, are they good eating? I don't fucking know, I just chuck them back. So, can you take me out there? No. Why not? I'll drive it all the way out there. If the conditions stay like this, it's probably perfect. Say in a minute. I did have the drag on pretty damn light. Snag, I think. Hang on, let's see what I got first. Doesn't feel like a fish, I'm not sure what it is. No, it's a big lump, it's a shoe. It's literally a shoe. It's a shoe fish. Have a dick around here for half an hour, about half an hour to 40 minutes. Someone said, oh, you can set a depth alarm on these things. I said, yeah, but it's... But usually by that time you're doing 25 knots, it's too late.
It's all over. Actually, first you hear, bang!
Yeah, there you go, babe. Oh, fuck. Yeah, that's about right. Burley is now flying upstream.
Going up or down?
Flying upstream. Yeah, I might actually put a line up that way. But anyway. Can't see. Oh, it's very shallow there. Let's leave everything in